Bro, these are definitely not aluminium. Those are definitely not aluminium. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well. In today's video, we're going to be doing something a little bit weird. So, as you guys have probably heard of by now anyways, there's an app called TEMU, right? And supposedly this app is known for being hella cheap, like extremely cheap, like weirdly cheap, like it doesn't even seem right. So I thought, you know what, I might actually give it a go and see, you know, if it's actually a lie or if it's actually legit, or, you know, if the products even come when you order it. So yeah, what I actually done, I ordered something off Temu, right? I ordered it for, I think it cost me around £2. Yes, I'm not lying, it cost me around £2 or even less. I can't remember, but all I know, it was super cheap. And yeah, we got these aluminium sport pedals that are non-slip. Apparently we got these from Temu. Ordered it around a week ago. It took around a week to arrive, but yeah, yeah, I don't know how I feel about this, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, firstly, I'm just surprised it came because I don't know, I've been hearing some weird stuff from Temu. But yeah, like I said guys, you guys have probably heard of the app already, and it is known for being super duper cheap. So I thought I'd give it a go and order some car parts. But yeah, I start off with these non-slip pedals, which are supposed to be aluminium, but with the weight of this thing, I don't think it's aluminium, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, if you just hop into the car real quick, I can show you my current pedals. As you can see, they are pretty boring. They're literally just black and plastic, and yeah, they don't feel nice at all. So I thought a good starting point from for our Temu series, we just start. Oh my god, I'm losing my voice. For our Temu series, would be trying out these sport pedals for my LEXUS IS200. So yeah, let's head inside and finally get these things unboxed. Right, so we got a package. We'll just have a little quick read. So, non-slip pedal series. Wow, so scary. Different colors to be selected. I mean, obviously I got silver, but there's also blue and red, but I chose to go with silver. But yeah, that doesn't sound too pleasing, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, we've got the instruction on how to install it on the rear. And what it seems like, how it's gonna work is basically these pedals are gonna clamp onto the existing pedals. Is that gonna focus? Yeah, so we basically screw on these like sort of claws, and I'm guessing once that's done, we literally just clamp it onto the existing pedals. Please check your pedal size before buying. I totally did not do that, and I'm not gonna lie, I don't think that's gonna fit, but we'll see. We'll try and make it work. We'll see how it works. But yeah, let's open it up. Open it up, and wow, there we have it. Those are the pedals. I mean, first impressions, bro, these are definitely not aluminium. Those are definitely not aluminium. Okay. All right. Yeah. So that just happened. Yeah. So yeah, we got these extremely high quality aluminium, totally aluminium pedals, which are definitely yeah. Let's look at the other one. Look at the other ones. As you can see, yeah, this one's not that bad. It also, the metal plate does come off. Oh my gosh, what have I done? We got a little decal here, which is obviously stuck on. This part does feel nice. The grip does feel nice. That's definitely a good thing. And I just realized, I'm guessing these bolts, they're gonna, there's 4 of them, so that's gonna actually hold down this extremely high quality durable piece of metal onto the actual pedal. And yeah, clutch, brake, these two are exactly the same. The accelerator one is decently larger, it's quite a bit larger. The screws are in the same place though, so honestly I don't know if that's gonna fit my car. But I mean, look, if I take these out, these do feel solid. It doesn't feel like it's gonna crack. They're a bit oh my gosh, never mind. We've got the screws and bolts we're gonna need. Why is there so much? You've got all the screws. I'm guessing those are the claws that are, you know, gonna clamp onto the existing pedals. Those are the screws which are going to go onto here. So yeah, what I might as well do now is get it all ready, put the screws in all of these, and then I'm guessing it'll be an easy install. It should be straightforward. So let me just get my toolbox. Okay, so in the little packets, what they do come with, it comes with this sort of clamp. It comes with a screw, a bolt. Also comes with a nut. So firstly, according to the instructions anyways, just gonna put one in there like that, and then I guess these things go on just like that. Yeah, so it's sort of, bro, I don't know how this is gonna fit nicely, man. How is this gonna work? I have no idea. But yeah, basically just gonna do that to all of them. So that gonna go on. Come on. Okay, so that is the first one done. As you can see, keep it a bit loose, I'm guessing. And yeah, sort of is it gonna focus? Yeah, sort of like that. That's so weird, man. That's so sketchy. Alright, I'm gonna do the other one. Just get the stuff out. I'm genuinely curious how this is gonna look, because I can't lie, like, compared to the current pedals on my car, these do look better, I have to admit. I mean, obviously, let's be honest, the quality is shit. The quality is horrible. But compared to the current ones on my car, these do look better. I'm probably gonna get shouted in the comments, but honestly, I think these they don't look that bad. They don't look that bad, you know. That's the second one done. So yeah, what I'm gonna do off camera, I'm literally just gonna do the same thing for all of these, all of them. Just clamp it on like that, not too tight, because I'm guessing these are gonna now fold over it. So yeah, I'm just gonna speed up the footage, so they should all be done in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we've done all of the pedals. As you can see, we got the clamps all like that. Same for all of them. And now I guess it makes sense now. Now these, because obviously it's bolted on, the actual metal, not even metal, but whatever that material is, bro, it stays on now. So yeah, now it's gonna be the interesting part. We're gonna try and get these onto my IS200. Alright, so we're gonna start off with the clutch, and oh, the brake and clutch are the same. Okay, so I've loosened up all of these, and guys, I can't lie, I don't think it's gonna fit, man. I'm trying it. Okay, hold on. I think I've. Alright, so I think we've actually got it in place now, but what we have to do is sort of, you see those clamps? We have to tighten it up now, because obviously I made it loose just so we can actually get it over the clutch pedal. So what I'm just gonna do now is just tighten these four and see if it actually stays on, because I swear if it doesn't work, I'm just gonna stick it on at this point. Like, what the hell. Alright, yeah, just tighten these up now. Don't know, it's just so annoying. Alright, so guys, we've actually we've finally done the clutch pedal, and yeah, guys, I can't lie, it's not that bad. As you can see, like, it's on pretty tight. There's no movement or anything. It's literally stuck on really tight. I mean, all I'd say is you can see the clamps behind it, and it doesn't look that professional. But guys, honestly, it's not that bad. I mean, compared to the grip here and here, it's alright, man. And yeah, it feels good. It doesn't wobble. But yeah, that's just one of them. So now I'm just gonna quickly get the rest on. I'm gonna do this one off camera, and then this one will be a bit more interesting, because obviously this shape is completely different. So I have no idea how this one's gonna fit, but we'll have to figure it out. Shadow of death creeping my steps along my neck. I pray for respect, I must confess. Done too much haram as a jit, while kids die from bombs and we sit, watch calm and we lit. Alright, so we got the brake and clutch done now. Now for the final part, the accelerator pedal, which I have no clue how it's gonna fit, because as you guys can see, it's quite thin on the IS200 compared to this. This is massive, man. Jeez, that is massive. Let's see if we can get this to fit. This will fit. Okay. Yeah, it's not looking too good, lads. Alright guys, as you guys can see, we've done it. We've installed all of the pedals, and yeah, I must get straight into it. Those two pedals are absolutely brilliant. They actually installed really well. They're quite tight, There's no movement, they don't bend. I mean, they do slightly if you do really put some force into it. But yeah, this was a pain in the ass, I'm not gonna lie. This got ruined. I don't know if you can see, but the screw actually went through the metal plate. It's literally gone through, because obviously the quality of this definitely high grade aluminium is questionable. So it's literally gone through the metal plate. But these two, I managed to save it. It is still show on the plate. So yeah, the metal plate is a little bit loose, but it's alright. Again, even though this one didn't really go as well, honestly, I'd rather just glue this on next time. I probably should have just glued it on. But yeah, it's still, regardless, it's still pretty tight. I wouldn't say it's as secure as those two, which is a bit, obviously, not really good, but yeah, I can't lie though, man, for like what £1.50 or however much I got these for, it's pretty good, man. It's pretty good, and I'm impressed. Because compared to the other pedals, these do definitely have a lot more grip to it. A lot more grip. It feels much more better. Even though, yes, I know it's shit quality, but compared to rubber, which I had before, it's still an upgrade. Another thing to point out, obviously, because the accelerator pedal is much bigger now. Before, it used to be around 2 fingers big, like that big. Now, because it's much bigger, it'll be a lot more easier to rev match and downshift, because obviously, as you can see, now the gap is a lot smaller now. Before, I could put my whole hand here and it would fit. But now, because it's got a smaller gap here, it'll be a lot more easier to downshift and rev match. Let me know what you guys think. Honestly, I don't think they look too bad, you know. Like, they don't look shit or cheap. Like, from far away, they look quite nice. Let me put this down. It'd be like that. But yeah, I think it looks clean, man. I really do like it. I can't lie. I don't know if I want to get a shout in the comments because of this, but genuinely, I kind of dig it. I think it's quite nice. I mean, obviously, the original sport pedals will look better. But from far away, man, they're quite nice, man. They're subtle. They're nice. And yeah, unless you touch it, you won't really be able to tell that they're some cheap metal and cheap plastic. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you guys want me to do more of this stuff, more super cheap like TEMU accessories or anything, leave a like. And maybe if we hit 5 or 10 likes, I might do another one of these, just testing out some random TEMU products and see if they're actually any good. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.